Well, greetings once again, peoples, folks, and space aliens. I am riding the lift by myself up to the top. It's Spirit Mountain. And I'm so confused about this place, but I just did Candyland and it's pretty awesome. So, with the wristband on, I'm glad I do because it's bonkers. This is Smorgasbord, and I'm really not too sure exactly. Anvil, Smorgasbord is this one. Okay, I saw somebody doing this earlier. So this is Smorgasbord. Did I mention this is Smorgasbord? Okay. Oh, squealing brakes like you wouldn't. Oh my gosh. Smorgasbord, like many of the advanced trails here, started halfway down the hill, and finding the true start to this and the fact that it was a little bit wet threw me astray. Once I found the entrance to it, it was a rockin' fun trail. No, Smorgasbord is open. That is holy frickin' biscuits. That is a drop. Smorgasbord is, this part at least is open. Here we go. The other part was, yeah, I'm not doing that again. Caution, 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 caution is fun when you have a loaded gun. Oh, nice. Oh, nice. Wow. Oh, jump like you wouldn't believe. Well, this is a blue trail. Testing my skill, for sure. It's fun though. I like it. I like it. I like it a lot. Whoa. Rock. Oh. Totally washed out. Oh my gosh. It's not. Oh. Wow. I was not expecting this. Crazy. What? Oh my gosh.
Do you want to do the drop? Yeah, he's never done it.
I hate drops.
Oh, it's a roll.
Yeah, it's a lot easier to lift.
It's not bad. So you just kind of roll off her.
Oh, wow. Whoa, that's awesome. I love it. Oh. Wow, that is insane. Last time I got mud on my action cam lens, as you probably saw in one of my other videos. Oh. That. Woo! Oh, jump! Oh! Don't like the landing on that jump. That's the thing about these jumps is they're awesome, but I came unclipped and clipped back in. I'm literally eating mud right now. Smorgasbord is, wow. These trails are freaking sweet, peoples. If you're into hardcore biking, this is your place. I hope I got that on action cam. I really hope I did. Oh, my wrist is like, I'm like, yep, that's unfortunate. Okay. Well, Smorgasbord is about the most difficult trail I think I'm gonna do here. Rock drop. That was an easy one. Ah! Oh, I cleared that thing. Okay, now Yeah. Skills park. So now, let's take a look here. Doubles, which I'm probably not gonna do, although they look intimidating. I'm gonna do this one, because I think I can do these. Whoa! Whoa! I was not expecting that, but that's pretty awesome. Wow!